Hi everyone, Jane Trotter here from Accelerando Piano. Now I've had a few questions from people about how to do their own pedal cam at home. As you can see from my setup, it's quite complicated. I'm all set up for online teaching and my pedal cam is situated down there. So it's a bit tricky for you to do that at home, but there is a much simpler version for you to do at home, and it is this. Good old-fashioned mirror. You can put this down and angle it so that you can see your foot from the side, because that's the important thing, because then that'll give you a really clear vision of when the pedal's down and going up. And you'll be able to see your hands clearly and your foot at the same time. So when you do the exercise, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can really easily glance down at your foot and see what's going on. So that's the cheap way of doing the pedal cam. I hope that's helpful and you can try that out yourself at home.